Hey guys, it's Mr. Z again. What I'm going to be doing today is taking you through the week 2 student agenda um, day by day so you can know exactly what you have to do for week 2. We're going to be focusing on Unit 2 now, Learning Targets 2.1 through 2.3. Here are some important links for week 2. The weekly agenda video, which I'm recording right now, that will be linked there. If you need to access the syllabus at all, that'll be right there for you. And then the Unit 2 Quizlet Stack of Learning Targets 2.1 through 2.3 are going to be linked there as well. Monday, what you need to do is watch this video. And then once you're done watching this video explaining what you're supposed to do for the week, then you're going to go and click here to view the video I created over Learning Target 2.1. If you need to review anything, I've linked the slideshow here so that you can go to maybe a specific slide that you were confused on or anything like that. Your attendance check for Monday is going to be completing this 2.1 worksheet, which is going to be on Google Classroom. All right, you have to define a few words, and then you have to do some math based off of what you're going to be learning in that 2.1 slideshow. I helped you out here and I gave you 3 answers. You just have to fill in the rest of this worksheet and then do a few sentences here explaining the reasoning for your decisions in the space below. It's essential once you get this done, you hit the turn in button on Google Classroom so that we can mark that you were here and participated for this day. Tuesday, it's going to be another video that's recorded on Learning Target 2.2. And then again, the slideshow is going to be linked right here in case you need to go back and view any specific slides. Your attendance check for Tuesday is going to be completing this Google quiz, test your knowledge, and critically think here. All right, it's a very short thing of your name, class period, and then just a few multiple choice and short answer questions. Wednesday, you are doing another Ed Puzzle video. All right, the Ed Puzzle has a few different multiple choice and short answer questions. It's important that you go into some decent detail in those short answer questions so we can really get a good baseline of where your knowledge is at in regards to what this Ed Puzzle is about. All right, the slideshow is linked right here that was used in the Ed Puzzle. And then finally, you need to review Quizlet terms, all right, because there is no school Friday. And so our Friday formative is going to be pushed up to Thursday. So you need to start reviewing those. Thursday, you're going to need to complete this reflection activity on Google Classroom over the demographic transition model. That's what the Ed Puzzle is about. So you're going to have a good knowledge on what that is. And then you can take that further and start analyzing it through answering these short answer questions. All right. I want more than a sentence for each question there. All right. I don't want 1 sentence answers. I want 2, 3, 4 sentences. All right. Then review the Quizlet terms before you take the Friday formative. All right. And that's your attendance check for the day. Remember that you need to get at least a 70% on the formative. But if you don't get 70% on the formative your first time, you can go back and retake it. All right. That is all that you have to do for week 2. All right. Because we don't have school Friday and there is no assessment.